Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague, salesperson with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, North Carolina, and I'm told your complete car buying resource. I help people buy cars and I show you what to do with them after you buy them. So, did you know that your car may have remote start on it, operated through the key fob, and you didn't even know it? For example, let me show you on this Camry. So here's your Toyota life hack. Normally, when your car has Entune Audio Plus, you have connected services like on the Camry and the RAV4. You can do the remote phone app, Remote Connect, and you can push Start Engine right on your phone. But did you know you can also do that right from your key? So here's the trick. Camry XSE V6, this one has Audio Plus. Actually, it's been upgraded, but as long as it has Audio Plus on it, watch this. You hit lock, lock, and then hold down lock. Watch it start flashing. Watch it, baby. Woo! Yes! Woo! 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 So, let's up the game a little bit. 2019, all new RAV4, limited in blueprint. By the way, what do you think of this blueprint color? Do you have it? Do you want it? What do you think? Let's check it out. Lock, lock. Hold down lock. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, it's lighting up. It's lighting up. It's like the 4th of July. Yes! Yes! I am the man. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm the man. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Now, how do you know if you have Audio Plus in a Camry or a RAV4? The biggest tip-off, this is my car right here, 2018 Camry XLE. I upgraded with the audio package, but if it says Sirius XM there, then you have the Audio Plus in your RAV4 or Camry. So now the real question because it directly affects me, will this system work on a 2018 Camry? My Camry, that's important to know. So, lock, 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 hold down. Oh boy, Knight Rider. Oh, oh yeah! Touchdown! It works! I'm the king of the world! Woo! Woo! So now the question is, will this work on your car? Did my advice help? So if you have a 2018 Camry, 2019 Camry with the Audio Plus or higher, or a 2019 RAV4, remember hit lock, lock, hold down lock, until you see the flashing, and then write down in the comment sections, let me know if that was a help. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes, I know, I have a lot of energy. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Please check out Instagram at ToyotaJeff1. Just type in at ToyotaJeff1. Go to Twitter, do the same thing, ToyotaJeff1. Facebook, Toyota Jeff in Raleigh, and follow my stories at torquenews.com, TORQUE news.com/Toyota. You'll see all the stories I write about the latest Toyota news and reviews. It's a great compliment to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for a new car in the North Carolina area, please call me, Jeff Teague, at Fred Anderson Toyota, or shoot me over an email. Subscribe to Toyota Jeff YouTube channel now. Thanks, everyone.